MSC stands for Mediterranean Shipping Company, and it is one of the largest container shipping company in the world. Founded in 1970, the company has expanded from a single vessel called Patrica to a 600 plus strong fleet of container ships. Welcome to Marine Red Fox. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. In this video, we will discuss about MSC Shipping Company. In fact, you will get a rough idea why and how to join this company. It is an ITF company which has a good reputation around the globe. Head office of MSC is in Switzerland as it's an European company. If we talk about in India, then it holds 4 to 5 offices. Delhi, Kolkata, Kochi, Chennai and Mumbai, which is the main office of MSC. This company is approved by DG Shipping and having RPSL number as MUM052. All vessels of MSC are high GRT. If you are planning to start your career in good container shipping company, then MSC would be best for you. On ship, you will get free Wi-Fi and the US visa is provided by the company itself. On board, you will find multinationality crew. Most of them would be from Philippines, Ukraine, India, China, etc. If you want to join this company, then you're supposed to have at least 1 or 2 sailing experience on high GRT container ships. For the freshers, it would be hard to join, but if you have reference, then probability is high of getting a job. Waiting period is very less in this company from the past few years. Let's talk about the salary. For the freshers, it would be around $550 to $600. In fact, over the sign-on and sign-off, company itself provide extra money which covers the traveling charges. This company also give health insurance and with good medical facilities. MSC conducts exam for the recruitment also. It has medium level questions. In that, subjects from where MSC asks questions are physics, mathematics, English and general knowledge. Duration for the test is of about 90 minutes. After this, psychometric test, which has approximately 200 questions in it with certain time limit. For more updates, join my Telegram group. And if you have any questions, then you can directly ask me on Quora also. Link is in the description box.